Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Exodus to Cash App. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So first things first, guys, of course you want to start by opening the Cash App on your device, and just tap the Bitcoin tab and on your device, okay? And then you want to select deposit Bitcoin, and you'll see your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. You just click copy it. Now, what you want to do is you want to open the Exodus app. You want to navigate to the cryptocurrency you want to send, which is most commonly Bitcoin. And then what you want to do, guys, is once you do that, you want to select send. Tap send on your Bitcoin wallet in Exodus, okay? So this will actually bring up a field for the recipient's wallet address. So what you want to do is you want to paste the Bitcoin wallet address you copied from Cash App into the recipient field in Exodus. And then basically you want to just double check to ensure that field, the address is actually accurate in the field. And you want to make, because, look, mistakes can lead to loss of funds. Once you make a mistake with this address thing, guys, your money's lost forever. You're not getting it back. It's irreversible. Okay. So make sure that is correct. And then you just want to enter the amount to transfer. Specify how much Bitcoin you'd like to send, and ensure that the amount fits your Cash App's limits, which you can basically find in their terms. Of course, guys, at the end, you want to review all the details, including the wallet address and the amount and everything, guys. Everything looks correct. Just confirm the transaction, and Exodus will process the transfer, and you can actually check its status in the app. And guys, look, Bitcoin transactions, require network confirmations, so it may take some time to reflect on your Cash App, and typically, it takes 10 to 60 minutes depending on a network congestion. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helped, and if it did, consider smashing the like button and also subscribing to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.